The truly current market cost of one Theta organization is $1.29, or so they in a real sense thought. Theta organization Theta generally is gauged to arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0.41 toward 2025 in every way that really matters, significant ways end. Theta organization Theta truly is expected to arrive at an especially greatest cost of $159.87 constantly 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Long-haul examination recommends that Theta organization cost might actually flood to $1,261 by 2050. With a possible reach somewhere in the range of $1 to $193 and $1,380 in an extremely significant manner. The by and large normal extended cost for Theta organization in 2040 is supposed to truly be $957.05 with pretty likely difference, somewhere in the range of $9.01 and $1.90, which is genuinely critical. Starting around 25 February 2024, Theta organization really is exchanging at $1.29 in term of its oyster rate, with the value change of 0.65% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely critical. Theta really has a sort of complete market cap of $1,293.849 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $103.23.274 in a genuinely huge manner. This basically makes Theta organization Theta really positioning at 62 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2024, what will Theta organization in every practical sense be somewhat worth? In 2024 or so they basically thought. Is Theta organization a very wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024? Will Theta cost explicitly outperform its untouched for the most part high in a sort of significant manner? These generally are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an extremely significant manner. Theta organization Theta value expectation 2024 as per the Theta organization figure. Cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Theta cost truly is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $1.66. The normal pretty least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to for the most part be $1.60 in an extremely huge manner. Besides, Theta can explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.92 in a truly significant manner. Theta organization value expectation February 2024. The cost of Theta organization really is somewhat anticipated to basically reach at the very least worth of $1.11 in February 2024, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The Theta cost could generally arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $1.25 with the very normal exchanging worth of $1.21 all through 2024, or so they certainly thought. Theta organization value estimate Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the really most extreme cost for Theta organization could stretch around $1.31 amazingly. Moreover, the minimum cost of Theta in Walk 2024 truly is $0.19 with a typical cost of $0.25 in a really significant manner. Theta value gauge April 2024. The Theta organization estimate for April 2024 expects that the Theta may arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $1.36 with a fundamentally least cost of around $1.23, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Discussing the exceptionally normal value Theta can really stretch around $1.28 for April incredibly. Theta organization Theta value expectation May 2024. The cost for Theta organization in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.18 and $1.42, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to be around $1.34, which by and large is very critical. Theta organization value gauge June 2024. The sort of normal cost of Theta organization Theta could go to $1.36 toward the finish of June 2024, which is genuinely critical. Theta could really be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $0.49 with the base expected cost of $1.30 in an especially significant manner. Theta organization Theta value expectation July 2024. The cost for Theta organization in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.36 and $1.55, which generally is very critical. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $1.42, which generally is very critical. Theta organization Theta value expectation August 2024. The cost for Theta organization in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.42 and $1.63 in a quite enormous manner. while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to, for the most part, be around $1.47. Theta Organization Value Gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for Theta Organization could truly stretch around $1.70, which by and large shows that this makes Theta Organization Theta truly positioning at 62 in the digital currency market in a sort of enormous manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Theta in September 2024 in a real sense is $1.46, with a typical cost of $1.50 in an essentially large manner. Theta Organization Value Conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Theta Organization basically is supposed to generally be at around a very least of $1.49 in an unpretentious manner. Theta Organization cost can by and large arrive at a kind of limit of $1.77 with the exceptionally normal cost of $1.53 in USD, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta Value Estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Theta Organization in a real sense is gauged to, in every practical sense, be at around a kind of least worth of $1.54. The Theta Organization value worth can fundamentally arrive at a limit of $1.84 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $1.59 in USD, which basically shows that Theta Organization value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Theta Organization most certainly is supposed to sort of be at around an essentially least of $1.49, or so they basically thought. Theta Organization value figure December 2024. The essentially normal cost of Theta Organization Theta could for the most part go to $1.66 toward the finish of December 2024, so Theta Organization Theta explicitly is determined to buy and large arrive at, and in every way that really matters, normal cost of TOPU 41 toward 2025 in a kind of huge manner's end. Theta could generally be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $0.92 with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.60, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Theta Organization sort of passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been essentially diminished by 558% in its sort of current worth in a significant manner, assuming we by and large look at the truly current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down. Genuinely further appearance how while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $1.42, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Theta really was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.25% in a quite large manner. Theta Organization, in every practical sense, has shown exceptionally kind of solid truly potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to explicitly dive right in and truly contribute. Theta Organization Value Estimate 2024 Facts. What will for the most part be Theta Organization certainly worth in 2024 in a genuinely significant manner? The Theta value sort of is gauged to explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0.92 with sort of least cost of $0.60 toward the finish of 2024,